Welcome. In this short lesson, we'll convert a positive integer into the Excel style column title, where 1 maps to A, 26 to Z, 27 to AA, and so on. This is a handy little algorithm that uses base 26 like arithmetic, but with a 1 base alphabet, where A and Z. We'll write a clean JavaScript function that with input validation and explain why we decrement the number each loop. Let's jump right into the code. Excel labels are like a base 26 number system, but there's no zero digit. A is just 1, not 0. That, off by 1, makes the straightforward base conversion fail, unless we adjust. We solve it by decrementing n by 1 at each step, taking n modulo 26 as the letter index, which 0 into A, 25 into Z, and then integer dividing n by 26 to move to the next digit. This loop builds letters from least significant to most, so we prep end each letter to the result. Here's the implementation: we validate input to avoid weird cases, then loop until n becomes 0. Inside the loop, we decrement n by 1, compute the remainder rem, map it to a letter via string from char code where 65 plus rem, prepend that letter, then integer divide n by 26 to move on. Decrementing n is a trick. It aligns the 1 up to 26 mapping to 0 to 25, indexing required for modulo arithmetic. For 151, first iteration, n minus 1 is equal to 150. 150 modulo 26 is 20. 20 becomes u. Append to right. Next iteration, n is equal to 150 divided by 26, which is 5. Then 5 minus 1 is 4, which turns into 4 modulo 26 is equal to 4, where 4 also turns into e. The result becomes EU. That matches Excel labels for 151. This table shows the intermediate remainders and final letters. For 27, we get two letters. First A, then A, which turns into AA. For 151, the remainders map to U, then E, producing EU. Using this table helps us follow the arithmetic. This, this conversion appears whenever you map numeric columns indices to human-friendly Excel headers. For example, building UI column headers, exporting tables, or reading spreadsheets when you want to display AA instead of 27. This algorithm is tiny, fast, and perfect for these utilities. To wrap up, we've implemented a small, reliable function that converts a positive integer to its Excel column title using a simple shift and modulo loop. It is efficient and easy to read, and widely useful in spreadsheets related tooling. If you'd like, I can also provide a one-liner version, a version that returns the zero padded numeric parts, or a TypeScript typed variant. What would you prefer? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these videos, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.